Hey guys, welcome back to another Pass the Guitar Live song tutorials, and today we're gonna work on High and Dry by Radiohead, a fantastic classic from the 90s. And after you watch this video, you're gonna be wondering why you haven't played this song yet. Yes, it's a fantastic song, but it's also super nice and easy, especially with these chords that we're going to be using. So let's waste no time and dive right in. So let's go over these chords. Yeah, we're going to use E minor, G major, and D major. How amazing is that? 3 chords is all we need. But a disclaimer before we move on, if you want to play with Radiohead, you're going to have to use a capo on the 2nd fret. But for this lesson, I'm not going to use a capo, and you know the drill. I always like to keep everything uncapoed so the people that don't have a capo are able to follow along with this video. Well, let's take a look at the strumming pattern we're going to be using. That's it. Super nice, super simple, but I'm going to play it first, so listen to the way that I play and the way that I count. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, down. That's all. Let's plug in a chord and hear the strumming pattern. I'm going to use E minor. 1, 2, E, and up, 3, and 4. 1, 2, E, and up, 3, and 4. 1, 2, E, and up, 3, and 4. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, down. And now that we have the chords and the strumming pattern, let's take a look at the form and see how we're going to actually play this song. So the song comes with a bunch of parts: intro, verses, choruses, interludes, bridge, outro, solo section. There's a lot, but all we're going to play is this chord progression. Yeah, only this one for this entire song, a 4-bar phrase that starts with a full measure of E minor, followed by a full measure of G major, and ending with 2 full measures of D major. 1, 2. That's all. Well, let's plug in that strumming pattern we learned and practice this chord progression. Here we go. 1, 2, E, and up, 3, and 4, E minor. 1, 2, and up, 3, and 4, G major. 1, 2, E, and up, 3, and 4, D major. 1, 2, E, and up, 3, and 4, another measure of D major. 2, E, and up, 3, and go back to E minor. 1, 2, E, and up, 3, and 4, G major. 2, E, and up, 3, and 4, D major. 1, 2, E, and up, 3, and 4. 1, 2, E, and up, 3, and 4. Well, that's it. That's all we need. So let's now use everything we learned and go over the different parts of the song. I'm going to start with the verse. So you can play along with me, and I'm going to sing a little bit of the verse, and you're going to see that this is all we need to know in order to play this song. 1, 2, E, and up, 3, and 4. 2 jumps in a week. I bet you think that's pretty clever, don't you, boy? 3 and 4. 1, cycle, watching out the ground beneath you draw. 2 and a 3 and 4. 1, 2 and a 3 and 4. That was a verse. Now let's sing a chorus. Here we go. 1. Don't leave me high. G. Don't leave me dry. 3 and 4. 1. Don't leave me high. Don't leave me dry. That's it. But hey, let's just go over the bridge of the song so you hear that actually this is all we need. Here we go. 1, 2, and 3. It's the best thing that you ever had. The best thing that you ever had. 2, and 3, and 4. 1, 2. It's the best thing that you ever had. The best thing you ever had has gone away. 2 and 3 and 4. 1, 2 and 3 and 4. And that's a wrap for this tutorial. By now, you have everything you need in order to play High and Dry by Radiohead. But if you want to dive deeper into this song and learn different parts, the chords in the original key, the riff of the intro, and get so much more, you know where to go. Head over to www.passtheguitar.live. Our community is the place to be. And if you like all the content we bring to you in this channel, don't forget to subscribe, click on that bell, and like this video. Your support is extremely important for us. And last but not least, if you have any requests for songs and topics you would like to see us covering in this channel, leave us a comment and we will get right on it. My name is David Cordero, and I will see you on the next video. Don't leave me high. Don't leave me dry. Don't leave me high.